Hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about the success journey of famous YouTuber MrBeast. MrBeast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, is a well-known American YouTuber, philanthropist, and entrepreneur. He gained immense popularity through his engaging and unique content on YouTube. Jimmy Donaldson was born on May 7, 1998, in Kansas, United States. He grew up in North Carolina and developed an interest in YouTube and content creation from a young age. MrBeast initially gained traction on YouTube by posting videos of himself counting to absurdly high numbers and performing various endurance challenges. However, his content started to gain substantial attention when he began giving away large sums of money in his videos. One of MrBeast's breakthrough videos was counting to 100,000, which helped him gain a sizable audience. He continued to push the boundaries of his content and created several MrBeast challenge series, where he would undertake and complete seemingly impossible tasks. Some of his most notable challenges include planting 20 million trees, surviving on a deserted island, and spending 24 hours underwater. MrBeast is also well known for his philanthropic efforts. He often uses the money he earns from his YouTube channel and various brand deals to donate to charitable causes and help people in need. He has given away millions of dollars to individuals, random strangers, and various organizations, earning him the nickname YouTube's biggest philanthropist. His engaging videos, large-scale challenges, and acts of kindness have resonated with millions of viewers worldwide. By combining entertainment with charity, he has garnered a massive and dedicated fan base. From MrBeast's journey, we can learn that we should chase our dreams until we succeed in our life. Never give up on your dreams. You will get success one day. Thank you so much for watching.